Very, very simple croutons. Croutons go with salads, they go with soups, and they're delicious. So if you've got some bread that's left over and it's going a bit stale, this is the perfect time to use that bread. Okay, so before we start cooking, we always wash our hands, put on a clean apron, and then get cooking. All right, so simple, simple, simple. I've got some bread that's left over. I've got some olive oil. You can use vegetable oil. I've got some pepper. I've got some turmeric, and I've got some coriander. All right, and I'm just going to mix those together. I've got some garlic. Again, you can use garlic, but you don't have to. You want to chop your bread into even size, the same size pieces. Okay, so remember when you're chopping, keep your fingers up, up, up. As we always say, the ballerina or the spider. And you want roughly the same size croutons, like that. Okay, if your bread is very stale, it will probably look a little bit different from mine because mine's actually quite fresh. All right, but that's absolutely fine. And then what I do is I get a bowl and I put the oil into the bowl first. All right, probably about 3-4 tablespoons. I put in my pepper, not too much pepper. I'm going to put in my coriander, and I'm going to put in that turmeric, which is going to give it a lovely yellow colour. Give it a mix. I'm going to put in some of the garlic as well to give it flavour. Then I just throw in the croutons and mix them really well, super quick, so that they absorb all the oil. Okay? And then all you do, obviously, this is a little bit dangerous now, is you get a hot frying pan. Okay, you wait till the frying pan is super, super hot, and then you pour in your croutons. Now, I had this pan on before, so it is a hot pan. So you might have to wait for the pan to get hot. Okay, and then all you do is you very carefully always hold the handle really well, and you just move the croutons around until they are golden brown. Once they are golden brown and they are sort of crunchy, then they are ready, and you will end up with beautiful croutons. And you serve those with a soup, you can serve them in a salad, and they're very, very delicious. Enjoy.